In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted, causing a year without a summer. Crops failed and famine loomed. But in Switzerland, a young scientist named Mary found inspiration. She gathered with friends, including Lord Byron, to write stories. Amidst the gloom, she penned Frankenstein, a tale of resilience and creation. Her story, born from volcanic ash, questioned humanity's limits. Could adversity spark innovation? Mary's novel became a classic, showing how adaptive techniques can transform challenges into art. Her legacy endures, reminding us to embrace change. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.